You want to have a conversation about why you're in handcuffs today?
What criminal investigation?
Or you want to be taken straight to jail?
I would like to talk.
A fraud.
On April 1st, 2025, Shawnee County Sheriff's Office deputies responded to a wallet theft that turned into a debit card fraud arrest, all captured on Bodycam. 2 unauthorized transactions at a Publix grocery store, $863 as a test charge, then $233.09 as the main hit. That 2-step pattern is deliberate. Run a small amount first to confirm the card is live, then go all in. It's textbook fraud tradecraft.
How you doing?
Good. Deputy Martin. You're
Yes.
okay. All right. So you lost your wallet.
It was my son's wallet. Yeah, at the mall.
Was that today?
Yeah.
Okay. And then you said the card was used?
Yeah, my wife, she's here too, but she got a text from the bank. You know, I don't know how they thought it was kind of fraudulent, but anyway, they sent her a message wanting to know if it was him or not using the card. I don't know how she replied to it or not, but since then I have canceled the card.
Okay.
But so he was in one of the like massage chairs, I guess, at the mall, and he had put his wallet between his legs, probably because it's really fat and he doesn't want to carry it. But anyway, when he got up, he walked away without it. So somebody picked it up.
Okay.
So, and then we just noticed, well, he talked to an officer there, and they gave him a little card with a number on it and stuff. And then later on, that's about 5 o'clock is when we got the thing saying they were trying to use it at Publix, his debit card.
Okay.
That I'm not sure about.
Because he said he doesn't
still
have his wife.
Right. It still doesn't show that it doesn't even show that it's pending. It shows the charges there.
Okay.
Like it looks like to me that they charged $8.64 for something, maybe to see if the card was going to work.
And it went through.
And it went through. And then the next one, it doesn't even give a post date yet or anything. Maybe I got it canceled before. I'm not really sure about that. It was just, my wife's like, listen, if they tried to use it, maybe they can, if they got a time frame and a location, maybe they can do something about it, but we're not really sure, so.
Okay.
Stupid question. You guys want to pursue charges for the fraudulent use of the debit card?
I mean, he had $140 in cash in his wallet, which not really thrilled that he was carrying that much cash, but he just got a job. So the cash and then the $233 that he spent at the store, that's like a week and a half worth of work for him. He busts his tables. And so you're asking, do we want to press charges?
For the fraudulent use of the debit
Yeah,
card.
for the debit card. I mean, if you knew who it was and you had them or whatever, I mean, I think we probably would.
Investigated.
Right. That's what I'm saying. I mean, if you guys investigated it and did that, I mean, I think we would.
Well, as of right now, we won't pursue charges because here's the way.
Okay.
The reason I'm asking is because
I'm just going to step back because his son's in my eye here.
you're filthy, man.
Yeah.
Do you? So the reason I ask is because if you don't want to pursue charges, we don't want to waste man hours looking
Right.
for someone that you don't want to go to jail.
Hey, grab your mom, will you?
So
Please.
that's why I'm asking.
Yeah.
If you want to pursue charges? Sure, we'll investigate this to the ends of the earth.
Okay.
Trying to find them.
Let me just I'll grab her and she can give her 2 cents in too. But I mean, it wasn't like a whole lot of money, you know, but to him it is because you know
He worked for it.
yeah. But he's learning the hard way, you know.
Yeah.
Not everybody out there is honest.
Yeah. So in regards to the wallet itself, he lost it.
Yeah,
The
he
fact that someone
left
picked
it.
it up.
So really, I
The
understand
debit
there's not
card
much
is
you
the
can
issue.
do with the cash.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's hearsay how much was in there.
Yeah.
And but
the
they
debit card
cut
issue,
debit
we're
card
trying
issue.
to use that.
Hi guys.
Howdy.
So they're basically asking, if we would like to pursue charges on the people that use the debit card.
I mean, I would say yeah, they're fraudulently using his card. So I mean that's
Okay, they just don't want to waste man hours if we're not going to see it through.
right.
Yeah.
Okay,
'Cause
yeah,
if
I
you
know,
don't want to pursue
absolutely.
charges, then
I mean, I
you
don't like that they have his driver's license too. They know where we live. Whoever did this.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Yeah.
So I guess I would say yes then.
Okay.
It's only $233, but
Yep.
233 and then an $8 charge too.
Right.
Right. Okay.
Which one went through?
I know the $8 one did from what you sent me.
Okay, let me look at his account.
Are the dogs
again.
still outside?
Yeah, Blakely's out back with them.
Okay, I have pizza on the table and I don't want them to eat it.
I got dogs. So I get it.
Oh, and they will.
Yeah, I guess he tried to get them to see if they could look up any video or anything from the mall.
Yeah, it's
and
not gonna happen.
no, okay.
No, that's it.
Okay.
It was I believe it was a Charlotte County sheriff that
No,
he talked to.
who tried to get it?
Okay, so
Oh, no, he was asking the deputy if they would be
So,
able to.
I mean, it does look
Right,
like it
and-
has gone through his account.
He was saying
I mean,
that
I
he
don't know
was
if you
waiting to
guys need
see
to
if
see
they
this or
actually
not,
tried to
but
use it. If they didn't try to use it, just
you
took
can
the
see
cash and threw
both,
the walls
both,
away,
wait,
then,
no, that,
you know, what could you
what do
really
you
do?
got right there, that Cochran.
But he
and
was
then
hoping somebody
again
would turn
right
it
here.
in, is what he was hoping.
That $863 and then the $233.
Yes, I know,
And it shows it was at Publix,
Right.
1013,
863, and what was the other amount?
23309.
Did that one go through?
It did.
Oh,
It
it
did,
did.
yeah, because his
Both
balance is showing.
Both went through.
Mhm.
You already contacted Suncoast and
We did.
disputed the.
They did, yeah.
Well, yes, I told him that the card, you know, was missing, yeah.
Okay,
and,
but, so we need to dispute the charges
Yes.
too, though.
Okay.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
all right. All right, so we need to call them again.
Because if you don't dispute that, they're like, oh yeah. you got
Oh,
it.
I know we do have to
Right.
call during business hours, like tomorrow, because,
I think they're front.
You said the Cochran.
oh,
Yes.
just the recording told me I could cancel the card, but anything else I needed to call their regular line, which I called their regular line and they told me they were closed.
Well, thankfully tomorrow's Monday. So.
Yeah, and I'm off work tomorrow, so I had to work today.
Yeah, so it's weird. It's like not showing the balance over here, so I don't know if that's something, because they had sent me a message telling me that there, you know, was fraudulent activity on the account.
What time did that happen? What time did you get that message?
Yeah, so it looks like they were probably like testing it to see with that $8 charge, oh, is this gonna work? And then after that, they went all in, $233.
I told him, I was like, maybe we might have to look at this like it was a needy family and we needed money. No, I'm just.
No, I don't care if you're homeless and you're down and out.
Yeah.
That's not your
Right.
money.
It's
Don't
not
take other
yours,
people's things.
You know what? And it's just,
Yeah.
it's wrong. It's not your money. And I mean, yeah, he left it there, you know.
Life lessons. Teach
Yeah.
them.
Absolutely, yeah, yeah. Yeah, he's got to go get a new license. And
That ain't cheap.
I know.
No, it's like $30. And we've done it before, so just a lost one before.
That was my permit before. So we're gonna go get you guys some paperwork.
Okay.
All right, we'll be right back.
That this right here is a case number. This is all the information you guys have to provide, so that they can investigate it properly. You have 10 days to do that, and then you're gonna send it to this email down here. Okay.
Okay.
I need your name printed and then signed right there, please.
Okay.
And if you fail to provide that information within the time frame, then they won't investigate it. Okay. So it'll be null and void.
An Exxon, you said?
Thank you. That's your copy.
Okay.
How much was it?
All right.
You got the dollar amount that was.
Yes.
All right, and the location and the time.
I don't recognize.
All right. Well,
Any
thank
other
you, guys.
questions?
No, I think he's on the phone
Alrighty.
with the bank trying to
Okay.
set it up as a fraud.
Yeah, like, I was gonna say like they should have a 24/7.
Yeah, no, she called. So I guess they want to talk to him.
Tell them the deputies are here now.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have a card with that on there too, so.
Oh, now you have on that beautiful.
Yeah, no, we'll do this and we'll get,
Thank you guys
first
so
start
much.
looking for
No
this
problem.
stuff and I can go to the bank tomorrow if I need to get any numbers probably from them, because I don't know your number on your card. So I don't either. I don't know mine either.
Yeah, they should be able to provide.
Yeah, no, I'm sure they will.
You guys got any questions?
So, no, I think that's it.
All right.
Alrighty.
Anything that can be done, we'd appreciate it.
Have a good
But,
Sunday.
yep.
With the Charlotte County Sheriff's Office, okay? We got an active investigation going on with you. On top of the fact that you're driving with a learner's permit without someone else in the car with you, right? You got to have someone without a license over 21. Hey, I'm talking with you. You got to pay attention to me. What we're talking about is pretty important, okay? That being said, it's super dangerous for me right here on the side of the road, and for you being here, we're gonna have you step out and talk on the side. You're all right with that, right? You need to step out. I'm giving you a lawful order to step out of this car. If you don't, you're gonna be arrested for resisting. Go step by the front of that patrol car.
over to me. I don't want you to get hit by a car. Right over here.
Right. This is gonna go down, and I don't know what's going on with you. These guys are super genuine and cooperative all the time, and for some reason or another, you just want to sit on your phone and not talk to us, even though this is. I understand that, but this is pretty important.
My daughter's important too.
Alrighty. So you're detained for a criminal investigation at this point in time, okay? Right, I'll talk to you about the case if you're alright with that. You want to have a conversation about why you're in handcuffs today?
What criminal investigation?
Or you want to be taken straight to jail?
I would like to talk.
A fraud. We can figure
Fraud
this out.
for what?
Will you, if I talk to you, it's going to be at our office and we can have a conversation about it there. Other than that, if you don't want to talk, we're going straight to jail.
I'm fine talking, but I would like to know
All right, well,
why.
we'll talk to you about it. It's a fraud. I have reason to believe you're involved in a fraud. Okay, and with that being said, I'd like to talk to you about it, but it's going to be in a controlled environment at the sheriff's office instead of in the heat out here in this dangerous area. Okay? Sounds like a plan?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, you have anything illegal on your person?
No, sir.
Is there anything in, on, or around your person we should know about before you go into a patrol car?
No.
Okay, all right.
We get next record or what?
Who owns this truck?
I'm pretty sure it's under my father's name,
Under your father's name?
or it's under my stepmother's name.
They're in Las Vegas?
Las Vegas? No.
Where they live at?
They live down the road.
Is your dad able to pick this truck up? If not, I gotta tow it.
My grandmother's coming right now.
If the registered owner has to be here present or to give permission to someone else
Well,
to
you
drive
could
the car.
ask her. She's on the phone if it's her. I'm not 100% sure which one of them it's registered to. It's my brother's vehicle.
All right. Look, so we'll figure things out together, okay? We're not going to hand you up with a permit citation, right? You got a kid? How many kids?
Just one.
Okay, one, but still your mother, right?
She's gonna be fine, right?
Yeah, absolutely, yeah. Anyways, we're not trying to do miscellaneous nothings and write tickets just to no end, right? This is a tobacco citation. You're under 21, so if we were that group of individuals, we could just hit you with a tobacco citation. We can hit you with unlicensed, driving without a person over 21 with a valid license in the passenger seat. That's not what we're up to, right? We just got a little hiccup going on at a store I got to talk to you about. We'll get through it together, and we'll figure out the rest of our day.
No problem.
Alrighty? Perfect. Yeah, I got to call mom or whoever that was. You said she's on her way?
Yeah, she should be here.
You know her phone number off the top of your head?
I don't know any phone numbers.
Gotcha. Alrighty. So I'm just being quick about it. I hate being in the sun with all of this, and I don't want anybody to see you more than you're already dealing with out here. Is it in your phone?
Yes.
Yeah.
Put her in a car, AC.
Yeah. That's fine. Can one of you guys transport her to 3?
Yep.
For me? Okay. Oh yeah, we'll get you in the car. Which car?
I'll take her.
Okay.
If we need to go, I can write the inventory.
Okay. Well, hopefully she can make this phone call real quick, and we just get that squared away.
They're right there, so.
Who's right there?
Okay. Where's your wallet and all that?
I don't have
You don't have any of that?
yes, sir.
Okay. Give me a.
Maybe that's not them.
So yeah, if you want to put her in a car for a second, and then.
Let's go over here. Go to this car. This car. Okay, listen. Not going to be able to. You don't have anything on you. You okay?
This is my thought process here. Hear me out. She doesn't have the credit card on her in her person, right? I mean,
Do we know if she doesn't?
I don't know. I don't want to talk about it till we get in the room.
Okay.
So
You just want to tow this to impound is what you want?
we could. Yeah, we could. It could be in the car.
Could be.
So I would say we just tow it to impound.
Tow the car to our impound. Yeah, I think so too. The only thing that's in there that they might need is a car seat for a baby, which grandmother's supposed to be on her way here, so I don't know if you want grandma to come take that out, just so that she has a car seat and be done with it, and then we tow it to her impound.
I agree. That sounds fine with me.
Sounds good?
Yeah, and then we'll tape the doors up.
We're not sure if the credit card's in her or not, but we have enough.
She said she doesn't have a wallet, but the credit card could be in here.
Yeah, she only had her phone. So.
She tossed the phone down too.
Oh, she did? Yeah. We're gonna see if we're gonna impound this or not because. Okay. Then that's good.
Wait on grandma to come get the kid's person, or we can go
Okay.
to the rich grandma.
Because there was a stolen credit card. It might be in the car. So she's involved with that. She used a person's credit card that
So we're good. there.
wasn't hers. That's Publix. Grandma?
Julie. Yeah, it must be.
Alrighty.
Alright, sounds good.
Alright, well, I'll have her ID one of these people and say if we have consent to go get the car seat and we'll go from there. Gotcha.
She asked about a car seat.
Who?
The one she was on the phone with, which I think is grandma, which I think is her.
Whose car seat is it?
Her baby's.
Okay, so if she gives permission, I'll just take the car seat out. Okay. Gotcha. Let me see if she's cool with us getting the car seat out. Hey, that car seat in the back of the car, this truck's gonna end up getting towed.
Can you take the car seat out, please?
That's what I was gonna ask you, if that's okay with you, so I can make sure your daughter has, I forgot, was it a daughter?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I wanted to make sure. She has something safe to ride in. All right, so if that's okay with you, I'll take the car seat out for you. And I can give that to, is this grandma? Okay, all right, that's a plan?
How long is it going to be?
Our conversation? I couldn't tell you. We'll just figure it out together. I got to show you a couple things, talk to you about it. We'll sit down. It's nothing scary or spooky. This is not like a controlled environment that we like to do. I'd much rather you be in the AC and not me and you, and it's just a lot easier than
I'm
this.
just asking because I'm at work right now. I'm clocked out on break.
Okay, well, it's going to be like me an hour. All right, but the work will figure it out. I'll give them a call personally and let them know why you're even not at work.
But I'm running the business because they're out of town right now.
Okay. All right, well, give us a couple, okay?
Okay.
You get with him taking her to D3, and then I'll meet him down there. We'll get the car seat out.
Yeah, we get the car seat out.
Her uncle is with the baby, so the baby's okay. The baby's
We'll get the car
We're
seat
gonna get
so
a
you
car
have
seat
it.
for you guys.
But we're going to tow this to our impound because we're not sure if the credit card that was used fraudulently is in this car or not. So it's going to tow to our impound right now. Okay?
Oh, great. Can I look through it?
No.
And can you look through it? I mean,
Not without a search
Look through
warrant.
somebody's truck?
okay.
No, unfortunately, not without a search warrant. We're not going to do that truck. Okay? So this detective is handling the case. He's gonna get the car seat out for you, so at least you have that. Okay?
Can I get her? Oh no, wait. Never mind. I don't need her phone. It's okay.
She's got two phones, so
Yeah. No. I need the business phone. Can you get that from?
down. That's interesting.
It's because she takes it in and out. She doesn't.
probably straps over the front of it.
until the
Oh,
baby's
okay.
here.
yeah, they probably strap over the front of it.
Yeah. She doesn't strap it in.
All right. Well, she told us that we can take that out to give it to you. Okay?
Okay.
Alrighty.
But I don't
Since
know.
you're impounding it, I probably will need it anyways. So.
Oh, this is my key.
Her keys are still in.
I'm gonna pull it forward about 5 feet so I can get.
That's fine. So she's missing at Las Vegas.
No, she's not missing.
Dispatch just told us, so I don't know if they didn't remove it or not.
Yeah, they just hadn't removed it.
Well,
yet.
I'll take care of it so she won't be missing anymore.
Okay, yeah, she and plus she's over 18 now. So
Unfortunately, due to her missing, and once we get eyes, then we're going.
but she had before she turned 18, she had ran away and
okay.
reported it.
I don't mean to interrupt you guys. What's your first name?
Crystal
Crystal.
Yeah.
And your last name?
Kendall.
How spell it?
Kindall. Sorry, I didn't put my teeth in.
That's fine. And your birthday, Crystal?
11/5/70.
And a good phone number for you so I can call you later?
941
Thank you.
Okay.
286
Anytime.
3230.
I went by, you were on 3,
And a good address?
but I was scanning.
I was trying to switch over.
I was on 1, but I heard you, and so I'm like, oh, let me just, I just started heading over this way.
I was like borderline.
Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect.
This will be the safest.
I'll let you know.
Can you tell me the other two people
We're a long way
so that
on
maybe
No,
we'll
we
call
can't
you
tell you. We
guys?
can't say anything in reference to.
She'll probably be able to tell you more information than anybody.
We just kind of have to keep our...
Her dad and her mom own a underground utility.
A very well done business.
Yeah.
A and B.
Is
it A and B or something?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Something like that.
A and
You want me
B
to
are
hang out with it until the record comes, or you want me to just go to D3?
A plus. A plus underground utilities. I'm sorry, my nerves are so much stuff right now.
I got tape if you need to tape it.
I don't.
I might have to. Okay. Yeah, unfortunately,
I don't think
they
I
can't
do.
give you any information about an active case.
Okay, so where do I call about it? Bond?
We don't set the bond.
Okay, and how do I find out about the impoundment?
Who owns the truck?
It's either Nicole or Joshua.
Or Joshua. I thought it was
It's
Jason.
one of the two.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Alright,
One
well,
of the two.
they can call the sheriff's office.
They're on a cruise. They won't be back till Sunday.
You good with me going to D3?
The 8th.
Okay.
The 8th.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
It's going to take any
It's
time.
going to take some time, and plus, if anything, we'll release it back to the tow yard. We'll let you know who that is. Or they will let them know who it is.
Okay.
It's probably going to be some time anyway. They got to write a warrant for it. It's going
She said
with
to drop
us.
the phone out of the car for guess there's a phone in there. You want to just hang out, leave it? I'll just leave
Well,
it.
it's probably the business phone.
All right.
Yeah, we'll leave it for now. We'll leave it for now.
Because I kind of need it for my daughter.
We can't give you anything out of
We
that
can't
truck.
give you anything out of that truck now. Other than
It doesn't make any sense. That would be illegal.
Yes.
So we're not going to do anything illegal. We can't do
gave you
that.
that due to the baby.
Yeah.
And that's understandable.
I understand because you never know who she's texting or whatever.
The moment Detective Gang put handcuffs on the subject and told her she was going to the sheriff's office, this stopped being a Terry stop. That's full custodial arrest, and the Constitution treats those differently. Terry versus Ohio gives officers the right to briefly detain someone based on reasonable, articulable suspicion, but handcuffs plus transport to a law enforcement facility crosses that line. Courts have been consistent on this. Detective Gang had two independent grounds here: a live traffic violation, learner's permit with no supervising driver, and investigative information tying the subject to the Publix transactions. Either alone clears the Terry threshold. Once custody is established, any interrogation requires Miranda warnings first. The right to remain silent, the right to an attorney, the warning that statements can be used in court. Before the first question, Detective Gang's opening line, "Do you want to talk about why you're in handcuffs or go straight to jail?" is an interrogation. The subject was already in custody when he asked it. No Miranda advisement appears on camera before that exchange. The Supreme Court's rule in Miranda versus Arizona is simple. Custody plus interrogation equals rights advisement required. Not after arriving at the station, before the first question, wherever that question gets asked. Berkmer versus McCarty draws the useful distinction: routine traffic stops don't automatically trigger Miranda because the person isn't under arrest yet. The moment handcuffs go on and transport is announced, that distinction collapses. Any statement the subject made during that roadside conversation is now potentially suppressible. A suppressed statement can gut a fraud prosecution before it ever reaches trial. The vehicle impoundment was handled correctly. Deputies declined to search the truck without a warrant and told the family the same. Pennsylvania versus Mimms covers ordering a driver out of the vehicle searching it is a separate question entirely. South Dakota versus Opperman allows inventory searches of lawfully impounded vehicles under standardized procedures. Deputies didn't rely on that exception, they went for a warrant instead. That's the stronger constitutional choice. A warrant requires a neutral magistrate to evaluate probable cause independently. It takes longer. It's also far harder for the defense to attack in court than an inventory search conducted at the officer's discretion. Detective Gang gets a B+. De-escalation was excellent throughout. The legal basis for the stop was solid. Impounding the vehicle, seeking a warrant, accommodating the subject's infant, all correct decisions. The Miranda timing pulls the grade down. Not incompetence. It's a common field gap between what the law requires and what gets administered on a busy roadside. Common doesn't make it harmless. Deputy Martin gets an A-. Patient, accurate, practical. He identified the two-step fraud pattern, correctly advised the family to dispute the charges with the bank as a separate civil process, and got them the paperwork they needed. The subject gets a B. She complied once out of the vehicle and didn't resist. The learner's permit violation handed law enforcement an independent basis to stop her on a day when staying off their radar mattered most. The victim family gets an A. The mother's observation about the $8 transaction, recognizing it as a probe before the larger purchase, gave investigators a cleaner evidentiary narrative before they even started investigating. 3 lessons from this encounter. First, the moment handcuffs go on, Miranda applies. Waiting until you get to the station is a calculated risk, and that risk lands on the prosecutor's desk when the defense files a suppression motion. Second, a learner's permit violation is a minor infraction in isolation. On the day you're already a fraud suspect, it's the traffic stop that puts you in handcuffs. Small violations compound. That's true for suspects and officers alike. Third, inventory search exceptions are faster, but a warrant is a stronger foundation in court. Judges issue them quickly when probable cause is clear. The extra 30 minutes is almost always worth it. The underlying fraud case here is straightforward, documented transactions, a specific store, timestamps, a suspect identified within 48 hours. What happens to it depends entirely on how cleanly the procedural steps were followed. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our channel for even more police interaction and courtroom content.